the hell?
Yeah, dude, fuck.
Sisters.
Who's only Abhinav? That slow ass nigga. Get this nigga bitch ass out here.
Emily
Go to
lives
audio.
that,
Go to audio and go to
people who are alone.
voice
Have a
activation.
member of your team witness a ghost event.
Hello?
Get an average
Yeah,
Yeah,
finally,
we
we
can hear
can
you
hear
now.
you.
Oh, let's go.
Let's go.
Get an average
guys,
sanity before
Yo, what is this?
25%. Have a escape the ghost during a hunt. What the hell? What is it?
No, but your audio is too low. Wait, can I increase
Nigga,
it?
I'll explain. Can you guys hear me? All of you?
Yeah,
with
you
good audio?
can.
Can you hear me with good audio?
Yeah, bro, keep it at 7. Give it at 70% for everyone.
But like, it feels like you're in the other room, bro. Loki, it's too less.
And yeah, keep it at 70%. Escape and then go to that thing there.
Keyboard at 70%.
Audio level, you can change it for everyone. Press on escape. You can change it there.
Okay, is mine fine?
Oh.
Yeah, yours is fine.
Okay.
Hey, what about mine?
I'll explain the whole thing, okay? So all of you, each of you can get a few items. So take your items for now.
Yeah, I took it
I'm
out.
taking this EMF. Let me grab it. Wait. How do I take it?
Yo, hold up.
1 second. Wait,
Yo,
niggas, don't go.
Stop talking.
Yeah.
Okay, now start talking.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. I thought your mouth was moving.
Okay. Anyway, click E to get an item. Go to the wall here and click E.
Gavi, know what? No, you can press left click also. Or E, never mind.
The controls are here. Where's the control screen? I'm kind of sped. Options, yeah, option and control. Nigga, who started the fucking van? T.
I just press some random button.
Journal is J. Special is T. Okay, use is right mouse button, okay?
Controls WASD. Interact is left.
Okay,
Hold use.
boys, all of you listen up. I'll explain everything.
Place is F1.
Okay, you do E to get items, okay? E to grab items. What happened?
Welcome back. I've got some jobs ready for you.
What the hell happened?
What the hell happened?
Yeah, dude, one dumbass, I'll tell you. So basically, one of you niggas said we finished the game and we guessed the ghost. Who clicked on it?
I don't know, bro. I was
don't know.
reading game.
Yeah,
thing.
so basically, as soon as you open the doors, right, the game starts. I think we timed out or something. That's why I come. Vote again. None of you click anything, okay? Only take your items. Don't open the door.
Okay, ma.
Ready up.
Fatima.
Okay, ma.
It sounds so cool, da. Abhinav, you're not special.
But the volume is too low. If it was louder, it would have been so.
No, you can increase everyone's.
It can be loaded. Look at
Do
the.
you see the percentage?
They're only 100%
It's right
though.
here.
No, it's on 100 only, but still it's kind of low.
That's yours. Everyone's is
Sad.
perfect. For me.
Yeah, everyone's is perfect.
Okay, I'm starting. Perfecto. Let's go.
Let's go.
Fine.
Mario.
I'm taking the sound recording thingy.
Equipment and prepare accordingly before starting the investigation.
Can I
I'm
change
gonna take a
Okay,
flashlight. It
okay.
doesn't work.
Whoever was here must have summoned the ghost with a
I'm
cursed
gonna take a
object.
flash.
Wait, how do you go? Can you take multiple items?
Know what it's capable of.
Bro, there's a key here.
Yeah, you can.
How
You
do
can take two items at once.
Fine, how do I use my second item?
Just scroll wheel.
Oh, scroll wheel. Oh. Okay, guys.
You're changing few binds now.
Yeah, you can change it real quick. Hey, how do I use the
It's too
camera?
confusing. You got turn it on. Just press right click. Oh my god, bro.
It's not turning on.
And get.
I've dropped it. Try if it works. I've dropped it. No, behind you. Below you, Bubs.
Drop is G.
One of you check if it
Oh my
works.
god.
Take it up. No.
Wait, how do I remove items from my inventory? G, no? Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, where's the flashlight? I didn't take one. It's not working, no?
I have
Bro,
it.
Yeah.
bro,
I have
you're
a
supposed to
flashlight.
you're supposed to put it somewhere and then check it from here.
Oh.
Or
no,
wait.
but that's a camera. This is a.
Bro, you're supposed to put a. Yeah, there's something else.
Wait, where's the flashlight? I need one. How do you use it?
I have a flashlight.
Like,
Nigga.
just right click.
No, all of you have
Yeah,
flashlights on your
doesn't have
shoulders. How
one.
do you use it?
Bro, the one that you have is not a flashlight. The one that you
Bro,
have
just go to
is
settings
the
and
green
check your
color.
bind. Let you know what's what.
Ethan, I can see a flashlight. Press Q. Press Q.
Yeah, it's
That
all-
It's
cycle
not a
light.
flashlight, bro.
Nigga, that is a flashlight. The thing
That
you
is a
have.
flashlight. Now what else do you think?
Bro, press Q to cycle, and
No,
then
I have
you
the
can
flashlight.
right
What he has is the green color thing is scans the surroundings. It's not a flashlight. What I have is a flashlight in my hand.
The one on his shoulder, it's a flashlight.
How do you turn it
Okay.
on?
Everyone
Nika,
has.
Right click.
it's always on. It's always on. Leave it
Oh,
alone.
crazy.
Oh,
Fine,
it's
then
the
open the
lights here
door.
around. Turn off the lights in here, no? Is there a switch? There should be a switch here. Never mind. Okay. Everyone tell me what items you have before we leave.
Flashlight and some ghost meter. I don't know what this
Okay.
is.
Is that EMF? Is that EMF?
EMF?
EMF. EMF reader.
Oh,
I
oh
have-
my
I
God,
have-
that is Nika. There's not something
I
bad.
have ghost field meter and I have
Okay,
a
yeah.
flashlight.
Dude, whenever your thing goes high, let us know, okay? So basically,
Bro, the ghost
I
meter
think
looks
this
like a
is-
galvanometer, bro.
Oh my god. Okay, fine. If any of you
What is this?
gets readings on your things, let me know, okay? I have spirit box. I can
Nika,
hear
what
those.
is
Okay,
it?
okay.
What am I
How do
holding
open
right
my
now?
inventory?
What are you holding?
What am I holding
You're
right
holding some green thing.
Oh,
I don't
dude,
know.
your
Some
thing
sort of
is
scanner, I
basically
don't
a
know.
thermal scanner, so you can see like ghost fingerprints and shit like that.
Okay, fine.
I think.
What
Let's
is
go,
this
let's go.
camera? Okay, fine, fine,
Let's
fine.
go. We gotta experiment.
Yo, my
This is the
sensor.
temperature to check if it's high or low, no?
Well, dude, temperature, keep it out at all the times. We need it.
Okay, fine. What is this key?
Get out, no? How do you get out? Okay.
Just walk out.
How do you turn on the light again? On your flashlight?
Oh. Okay, fine. I know how to use it now.
How?
You have to
How?
press
Yo,
Q.
should I take that key, nigga? Should I take the key?
Yeah, take the key. Bring the key here. The door.
Bro, how the fuck are you guys using
Yeah,
the
get the key
flashlights?
to open the door. We aren't.
Then how are you getting light
Yeah.
in there?
The-
It's just
Only I
how
have a
it-
flashlight,
Okay,
bro.
only you
See?
have, fine.
My
that's
hand I have
just
a
how it
flash.
is.
Open the door.
You turn the lights on inside.
Should find the light.
Where's the switch? Something's whispering. Yeah, here.
Yeah, I found a switch.
Turn it on. Oh, thank God.
Yeah.
All of you check for readings, okay? And let's go into the. What the fuck is this? Oh, I got scared by poos. I thought it was a ghost. Oh, there's a switch here. Shift to run, by the way. Shift to run.
Should go in.
Also, if your screen starts shaking and you hear
Oh, you know-
footsteps, the ghost is hunting
Nika,
you.
you know we can't hear you, right? You know you
What?
can't hear you, right? Because it's proximity, dumbass.
Oh, okay. If
Only
your screen
both
starts
of us
shaking,
heard
the
it,
ghost
not.
is hunting you.
Oh, okay, fine.
Let's come here.
I'm
Okay,
gonna
I'm
keep
not-
everybody's audio at 100%.
Dude, I'm not getting any readings. Okay, fine. All of you leave this room.
Same,
My thing,
same.
my thing will only work in an empty room with lights off. Go off. Leave here. All of you leave. Who's you also leave. Turn off the lights.
Wait, see what the hell is there?
No, mine's a spirit box. I need no light.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, go. And close the door.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Closing door, locking
Wait,
you in.
wait, wait. So if temperature's low, it's a problem, no?
Temperature low means the ghost is nearby.
Okay, fine,
Oh,
fine, fine.
shit. Oh, is there? See?
Where is that?
Look at that close, nigga. Yo, I see, nigga. Hello?
Does Kritik not realize we can't hear
Yeah,
him?
what?
Get the god.
Nigga,
What
come
happened?
here,
What
come
is
here,
saying,
come here.
Kritik?
What
Bro,
happened?
that's proximity, we
I
can't
was
hear you.
saying, bro, I see handprints over here. Look at
Oh,
this.
okay, that's an evidence.
Okay,
you can-
fine. Yeah, come.
Wait, niggas,
Right.
all of
You
you
like
come
mark
here.
it down.
I wanna talk to you. Come fast. I'll explain.
Wait.
Okay, find it.
What is this nigga doing?
Otherwise, when speaking, bro. What
Oh,
is he doing?
Bubs, we
Why is
can't
he-
hear you.
Bro, we can't hear you. You know that, right?
This is our
Hello.
objectives.
Yo. Okay, yeah, so like, can we like mark something out?
Okay, the
What
ghost
do you
responds to
mean?
people who are alone. Okay, wait. So one of us has to go in alone for the ghost to talk to us. I'll go.
You go down.
I think the one with whose name starts with P should do it. Can I close the door on you?
Close the door.
Nigga, let me be alone. Oh,
Okay, bye.
You realize we can't hear him. are getting slimed.
Ishan,
So
go
for
to
all I
other.
know, I think he got slimed out.
I'm fine, I'm fine.
Oh, he's here.
Okay,
never
guys,
mind.
we need
Oh,
to
he's
have,
here only.
we need to get a spirit box or a journal. Oh,
Spirit box. Abhinav had a spirit box.
we need a spirit box or a journal so the ghost can write in it.
Yo, why is there shower?
So
on?
what exactly is our this thing here? Like,
You're supposed to find out what type of
Find
ghost
what
it
type
is.
of ghost it is.
Like
Fine.
the
All of
tattoo.
you click J. Click on evidence.
Oh, J. Okay,
Yeah,
fine.
click on J.
Who's
Go to
J?
the evidence tab and
oh,
tick mark.
J. Oh.
Yeah,
Click J.
yeah. And
Ghost
click,
writing, no?
yeah, no. Go to evidence and put tick mark for whatever evidence we have found so far. Also,
What
What have we
did
found so far?
Ghost writing we found, no?
Yeah.
Ghost writing we found.
where did you find ghost writing?
No, the handprints that
That's not
Pooja
ghost
said.
writing.
Okay.
Hey, what
Freezing
is that?
temperatures you found, no?
No,
Otherwise,
but
the temperature dropped.
No, I didn't find.
How
I
low
just
was it?
asked.
How low was it? Was it?
No, it was normal.
Was
It was
normal.
It wasn't low.
Dude,
That's all.
freezing
I just
temperature
asked
means
if
below
it was
zero, by the way.
Okay.
Fine, fine.
And all of you give me your items, Niga. None of you are using your items properly.
I am. It's not working.
Yo, turn the light on. It's
It's
not
not
working.
working.
though.
Okay, go to the
No, I
garage.
use
There's a
it,
breaker
use it.
there. Come here, come here. Come here, go to the garage. Follow me. Follow me. Yeah, open the door here. There's a power breaker in
Yeah.
here. Find the power breaker.
Yo, what was that? What was that? Okay, you
Yeah,
guys
yeah,
can-
found it.
Yeah, turn that on.
Yeah, see here only.
Stop. Yo, stop. Yo, just one of you at a time. One of you at a time.
It's open.
Just fine, turn it on.
Yeah, now turn on lights.
And turn the lights on now.
Yeah,
Finally.
Can I use one of these hammers for this?
you can't. Also, who has the journal? Drop it down so the ghost can write in it.
I don't have the journal.
Fine, all of you show me your items. What do you have?
I have temperature, I have the camera, and I have the whatever this light is.
Okay, what do you have, Booze?
I have a main door key and a flashlight.
That's it. What about you, Abhinav? You have
I
something.
think we left. I have the EMF thing and I have the flashlight.
Yeah, give me your EMF. Give me your
And
EMF.
you only would have it now.
No.
Give me your EMF.
How do I drop it? How do I drop it?
G.
I dropped it, see. I
Okay.
dropped it, da.
Follow me. I'll know where the ghost is. I need light. Follow me. Okay, wait. No readings here. No
the
readings
lights
here.
are on.
Come here. Is there a basement somewhere here?
I can't see for that. Turn the lights on.
Oh, dude. Boys.
Oh, his shit does not work with lights
Boys,
on.
follow me. I found a
Yeah,
basement.
yeah.
I found a basement. I found a basement. Come.
Oh.
Come here. I'm not going down first.
Yo, one with flashlight, go down first.
Go.
Yo, it's me.
I have flashlight.
What if anything?
Whoa, booze.
I'm scared of women actually.
Check
Oh,
temperature. Check
shit, what is
temperature.
that?
Check temperature.
Wait, let me check.
Yo, I got a
It's
hammer.
still normal.
Can I beat someone with this?
Why are you so violent, da?
Oh, okay, fine. The red should just be low, fine. God. What do you know? This is spray paint. Though.
Dude, who took the
What
book
is this, huh?
from the van? We have to drop the book here.
No one took it. I think it's right there. Like we left it in the van.
Okay.
How many items do you have?
I have this and a sound. I have a spirit box and EMF.
Yeah,
Bro, you
supposed
can
to
only
have
carry
each,
3
Nigga.
items, right?
Yeah, so there's 3 each. So
I
each
will
I
have
can
2.
carry 1 item. So yeah, exactly. So it must be in the
How-
van.
I have only one item. Again.
12.
Come to garage. Come to garage. Come, nigga, with light. Whoever has light, come. We need to.
If I can't see, how
I
will I
have
come?
light now. Move.
Yeah, come then. Come to garage. You know where it is.
I am coming.
Go open it. You do it.
What do I do?
Yeah, that's it. Just
wait.
turn on
my
the
bad.
light. Yeah. Okay, boys. Find where the temperature is low. I have to put the ghost journal there. Also, we
Hey,
need
what does this green light do?
check. I don't know.
I don't know. How do I check? You just see something? Yo, check your EMF, da. Someone.
No readings. I'm not getting any
Vishal has
readings.
my EMF.
Fine, I'm dropping
What?
this. Put flashlight
Oh,
on the
it's
book.
actually pressing my.
I did.
hurting my head, dad.
Dude, what is this pussy ass ghost done? Not
put
doing
the-
anything.
Watch him
It's because
slime
you're
on
not
me.
around it, nigga. So I think you're supposed to go like somewhere else.
Fine, let's leave. Where's Poos? Did he die? Yo, I
don't
think
know,
Poos
where's
died.
Poos?
What the hell?
Oh no,
Poos
he's
was
there. I
dead.
heard him.
Oh, you heard
He
him.
heard
Still right
you.
here.
I thought he died.
Right here.
Yeah.
Turn
Bro,
on the
put
lights.
the,
Take temperature.
you know, audio level
Oh,
200.
it's
You
just
can
actually
hear
like my
people from next
claustrophobic.
room.
Just turn the lights on, though.
Oh,
Wait,
what's
what?
it?
Why is
It's
it red?
It's
I
hunting.
can see the ghost.
It's
It's right
yours.
behind you, Abhinav. What the hell?
Damn.
No, the EMF went to 5.
Ultraviolet, EMF level. So
EMF
EMF
went to
level
five.
there, right?
Mark it now.
Actually, no, it didn't go to 5. My bad.
Mark
It
it.
went to 3.
I'll beat you.
Aw.
Nigga, one of you take this. I don't trust it. Take it. I dropped it. Take it. Poos, you have spot for one more. Take it. It's here.
I found a bear, by the way. 1 minute. I found a bear.
You put it next to the journal. Wait. How did you get the
don't
ghost to
die,
light?
Or
Phasmophobia.
Okay, you found the ghost room.
Nothing. We haven't found anything.
Use EMF and temperature to find the ghost room. Whenever temperature drops, and EMF is
oh, tell your brother to shut up. I'll belt his
No,
ass
he
down.
he plays a Roblox game a lot of this. That's why he knows.
Oh, yeah. We have played
It
before,
is
right?
game.
So he's telling us to find the ghost room. Find where EMF is low. Is the EMF here low?
high.
No.
So,
Sorry, my bad.
space is
High.
Minimum 2.
Minimum 2.
It isn't.
Hey, the EMF was 3.
That was
just
the
put a EMF.
entrance. That can't be a possible area.
That can be. If it's 2, it has to check other rooms near that entrance. If it goes up.
Oh, it's here. The ghost room's here. Come. Who has EMF? Where's Poos? Poos, come here.
No booze.
You have an
Poos, check EMF here. I'm gonna follow him. Give him light. Check EMF. How much is it?
No, I checked. No, there's nothing here.
Nothing here.
It's 0.
Find temperature. Check when temperature was low. Bubs. When you forgot your first low temperature, where was that?
Yeah, pressing. It wasn't low, normal.
Try finding where it was.
Bro, you shouldn't have lights on, right? For
No,
this
you have
EMF
to.
thing.
I mean, you have to. Lights on and off only depends for certain. See, all I know is that Ghost likes stripping the power breakers off a lot. So it likes the dark.
Oh.
There's nothing here. Okay, why shouldn't we like turn off everything and then check one?
It's not.
Yeah, I'm
We're
picking up
lost,
something.
but we don't know.
Where are you, fools? Entrance is you only.
What?
Yeah. It's going up.
We don't know. We can't do anything. We don't have any items.
What? Do you have a laser projector?
Yeah.
Okay. Find the
We
room.
found fingerprints.
Okay, that is not the evidence. That's all. That's not useful. You don't know where the room is, though. Check that. Did you lights? Did you guys switch on any of the lights?
No. We had to pass the power breaker 2 times.
Okay. Did you get EMF at 2 anywhere?
Here, because the ghost was chasing Abhinav here.
That's the ghost name. No, is it still 2?
No, it was only 2 for a while.
I know because the ghost is here. It's ghost favorite room is always 2.
It's always 2.
You're gonna
Check the
put
tools
that?
upstairs, upstairs.
Is it upstairs? There's upstairs.
They should, I don't know. My game has upstairs. Do you have a
Because
camera?
it's different from the Roblox game.
How do you use the camera?
Yeah, he
Use
has
the
camera.
If you see orbs, no?
I am.
How do you see the orbs?
Bro, the EMF is at 1.
No, like a video
It
camera.
goes
It's
to
not
2
one.
I have
if
the
I'm
camera.
outside
I
over
have
here.
the camera.
Hey, where does he go to do?
What do we have to check?
Here, right here.
Okay, that means this is
Now
the
it's
ghost
at
spot.
1.
Entrance.
Okay, fine.
It dropped, it just
Place
dropped.
on the laser projector.
Place down laser projector.
If you see the ghost, that's one of the evidence.
I haven't.
Yeah, place it down. You're supposed to place it down.
It gives light. Yeah, see?
Yeah.
No, but like this is different from
Ghost
Roblox.
up here, if it's here,
If the ghost is here, it'll appear apparently.
check temperature.
Check temperature. Place that down
Yeah,
and check
wait.
temperature.
Place
It's
it
still
here.
it's
Bro,
normal.
place it here. Yo, place it
How
here
much
in
is
front
it?
of me, right? Where I'm pointing. Where EMF
Okay,
dropped.
fine, right.
Going up again. Yeah, towards this couch, bro. Place it towards this couch.
Yo, the door's closing.
What do you, your sound box?
Yeah.
Use it. Spirit box, no.
I can't use it. It's on only.
You can't use it.
No, it's on. It's not working.
Ask the question.
How do I ask a
Where am I
question?
supposed to
That's
drop
what
it?
you use. You're supposed to ask the question.
How do I ask?
So EMF's going up,
Here,
no?
come here.
Hey,
Point towards the
hey,
couch.
EMF
Here,
here,
ghost, are you
here, da.
No, go.
Where? I drop it.
Don't dumbass.
Tell me the option. Like tell me, in my thing it comes, are you here? What are you doing?
Hello. Yeah, why? What happened? We are already playing something. We'll come later. We'll play some game called Phasmophobia. I don't think we'll be able to play.
Okay, fine. Yours is not
Fine,
like that. You
go
can
on.
ask questions. Mine you can ask questions. With those dogs. It's just static.
Okay, guys.
It's static.
No, the white is flashing.
Turn the lights off.
No,
No.
turn off the lights here. I'll ask a
Go
question to the ghost.
outside
All
the
of you
house.
shut up.
Look at-
All of you shut up. I'll ask a ghost a question. Ghost, are you here with us?
It can't.
Oh, it heard the question. Ghost, are you here with us? Yo, Ghost, are you here, twin?
Doesn't.
Because Mallu actually doesn't understand that.
If the question has been heard, a red light will flash. If it flashes white, I get a response. I'm getting white, red flash right now.
Okay, that means the ghost doesn't use spirit box. If you cancel that one, the journey. Okay.
So what? The spirit box, no?
Yeah, spirit box.
Who has video camera?
Who has video camera?
Or
Me, I
Kritik,
do.
no?
camera? Goggles, something like that.
Yes, Kritik.
I heard laughter. Is that part of
Hi.
Kritik, use your camera here.
Pass the camera, I'll try using
I don't have a camera.
You have
I don't have a
I have the
camera.
camera. I have the camera.
Yeah, pass
Use
it.
the
I'll
camera.
use it. Drop it, I'll use.
Okay,
I
this-
have it.
this is really-
What do you want me to do?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Drop the book. Where is the
Drop the book here, drop the book here. I'll take,
Drop the book and is that flowers?
we don't have flowers.
You don't have flowers.
No, I think the spirit is gone.
You don't have
Or the
either.
ghost is gone
Is
first.
there no 2
I'm
EMF
not
here?
picking up anything on this EMF.
Fine, let's go to the basement.
No, it's gone.
Fine.
Oh.
Booze, let me know when you hit 2 EMF. That's the ghost room.
Who has goggles?
Does anyone have goggles?
Or camera, video camera, just a camera.
Nothing. Where is this ghost room, da?
Bro, this nigga has a camera. Who?
Check bathrooms, bathroom.
Advait.
Also, check bathroom, check
Go
bathroom.
for like it's doing nothing.
No, we'll check once outside, no? Outside the house. Like, fully.
Outside the house, it won't be there. Come here, check.
There's
Those
literally no
shadows are kinda
EMF
annoying.
Booze,
outside.
did you check all the rooms?
Or you take the EMF and you show.
Yeah.
It's something.
Bro, there's literally nothing.
I think we'll re-queue. I'm not sure how this works. Come, we'll re-queue.
Here before, but now it's gone.
Show me the journal, show me a journal.
It's fine. Just keep trying.
Do you guys want to re-queue to a new lobby?
No. Why? What
It'd
happened?
be more fun with the ghost which appears on the EMF. This might be a rare one.
No, all goes up and over.
It's fine. We'll just finish it. I want to finish it now.
Yeah, what about it?
Show me a journal, I want to see the evidence.
Huh? What's that blinking?
There's a ghost, no?
Is
that a ghost? I can't see.
Oh, the door's locked.
It's a ghost.
The door's
It's a
locked.
hunt, it's a hunt. You can't escape. It's a
I'm dead.
hunt.
I'm dead.
Yo.
I'm dead.
When the lights are perfect.
Oh, you dead.
How did he
Shut up,
die?
shut up.
Oh, that's insane.
Shut up. No. Ghost, other ghosts
We
are watching them. I want to listen.
this much of the game. What is this?
Yo,
It's quite
Kritik
tight, huh?
died.
Oh, Kritik is alive.
Kritik dead.
Oh, Kritik is
What
What are you
here.
doing, Kritik? Wait, Ishan can't talk anymore.
Ishan's
Hello?
dead, you dumbasses.
What the hell? Yo.
All of them are dead.
No.
Only he's alive.
No, no. Oh no, hell
He's
no.
the only one alive.
Show me a journal. Quick. What all
Yo,
evidence
hell no. How are you all? Oh my god.
Just put
How
some
are all of you
random-
get slime, bro?
All of us are dead.
Bro, I got disconnected.
Yeah, all of
I
us are
got
dead. What the hell?
disconnected,
Bro, I'm alive. How do you all get slime?
Bro, I got disconnected. I didn't die
Exactly.
exactly.
Oh, I
I
died.
died.
I died to the ghost.
We got slimed and then both of you just left. I'm like, I got mad scared, bro. The hell no.
Show your journal. Okay, show. Go to evidence.
Okay, I'll put
Shut
EMF.
up, shut up. It's a new game.
No. I want to.
I think it's a spirit, bro. Who cares?
What is
I'll just do it now.
Ghost writing, freezing temperature. Ghost out. Yeah, ghost out.
Ready, man.
Creating the lobby, no? I'm out. Like, I'm completely out.
No.
Yeah, even I'm completely out.
Shut up now. Okay, boys. Come back into the lobby. Apparently we're supposed to buy items. We got to buy items. That's why we didn't have anything.
Bro, it says disconnected server timeout.
By where, gang?
Come
Oh,
back,
yeah,
come
shop.
back. Come back. Me and Blitz are in the lobby.
Bro, it says
Yeah,
disconnected
yeah.
server timeout.
Whoa,
But
wait,
there's
I'm
no
going
money
else
for
down here, okay?
What is that? It's her. Who took that?
Video
It was a
cam.
video
It wasn't working. It wasn't working.
Did you click on it?
Yeah.
Click on it, you see something, no?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, if you go around, if you find the ghost.
No, but it wasn't working only.
What do you mean it's not working?
We'll see now. We'll see.
Oh, Devang
Oh,
wife.
who is this? Fire Fist?
Fire Fist?
That's Neil. Neil, we're playing Phasmophobia, so we're all gonna go and deafen now.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
No.
Because
Who's
we
Fire
have
Fist?
Goxamity chat.
Yeah.
Oh, why
Someone
da?
join the server.
What do you mean, Vaida?
Vaida,
It's fun that way.
Fine.
Hey, Fire Fist is Arnesh.
Oh.
Even I can, I think, I can.
Hey, isn't that one piece? Yo.
Oh, free. You have to buy the game.
How much is it?
You won't be able to play it now.
40
Oh,
GB.
how much is it?
40 GB.
I can download.
No,
On your
but
tab.
it's Unreal Engine 5. I don't think you can run that.
I can't hear. Wait 1 second.
Fine. Poos,
I'll try downloading it.
why you your role this thing?
Bro, it's echoing.
Yeah, because you're unmuted in the game as well, obviously.
Oh, hell no.
I'm leaving this call, okay?
They just deafen yourself, no?
Okay, deafen. Niggas, can you hear?
I'll go after this game now.
Oh, fine. Oh, dude, by the way, next
It's
time we
free,
play
you have to
Phasmophobia-
pirate it though.
Yeah.
Pirate
It's not
the
free,
game.
da.
Dude, next time we play Phasmophobia,
Still,
let's all watch
download
tutorials. It'll be really fun.
somewhere.
See how fun this is?
Bro, the link is there in the.
Bro, we'll teach it to you, da. Just don't do anything right now. We'll do it tomorrow, trust.
No, bro, the link is there in PC. You can.
Yeah, you can download from there if you want.
download it right now. Yeah. Go for it. Go find
For free here on. It's on Steam. It's buy now. Yeah.
Yeah.
There in the ground.
Bro, do not go to some website like Ocean of Games or something. Your PC will get hacked.
Yeah. Where's it general? Huh?
Yeah.
Blitz, ready your ass up.
Oh, my bad. Okay, fine. I'll deafen myself. Bye-bye.
Neil's there.
Bro, so apparently we have to buy a bunch of items, okay? The next game we'll buy.
That is enough. For what you need.
Hello, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, da.
Dude, where the fuck are our items?
It's constant luck.
So it's last house it was spawning in
Oh,
slowly. if
yeah,
I'm not
box.
wrong. Yeah, see, it came now.
Equipment and get set up before investigating.
I'm taking the camera this time. This shit is.
There have been new reports.
Okay, fine.
I have the cam, bro. You want the
EMF
cam?
and camera.
Summoned here. Take a look.
Bro, I
Okay, I'll
have
take
the
I'll take the
paracam.
book.
Your advantage.
What camera?
What is
you
a
have?
paracam, bro?
What's a paracam?
Paracam.
Turn it on.
I don't know. I can't turn it on. It just goes away if I try to click on it.
Oh,
See?
dude, I think
Also,
our game
where
is
you
bugged.
sub-
Look,
Yeah, I'll
at-
drop
you
it.
know-
I'll drop it. Wait, I'll drop it.
Yeah, you're
See?
holding my camera. Wait.
Bro, I have like mic or something. I have a mic or something.
Yeah, see, it's not working.
It's the paracam. It's a video cam.
Oh, what's the video cam? What's a paracam?
No.
Whoa. How do
You
you
had the video
how do you turn it
camera,
on?
Right click.
Right.
How are you supposed to identify the goal? Like, how are you supposed to write it down?
Like you have to activate the camera.
Kernel.
Try something.
I'll figure it out. One sec. Let me see how to use the paracam in the wiki.
Yo, Ishan, can you hear me?
Yeah, what?
Yeah, tell.
How do you detect the ghost? I mean, like, how do you write down the ghost? Like, when you detect it?
Are you talking about the journal thing that you
will
have?
give you hints. You have to.
Okay,
No,
bro.
no.
I'll
Like,
tell
how do
real
you?
quick. Click on journal.
How do you
go-
like when the?
No, listen. Click on journal. Go to evidence. If you see any of these happening, click one time to put tick mark. If you're sure it didn't
Yeah.
happen,
So,
click it 2 times to scratch it out, and it'll remove the number of
so what
possible
I'm saying.
ghosts.
So what I'm saying is, after you find out if it's spirit, let's say if it's spirit, how do you like
Yo,
write it
somewhere
down?
here,
Like, how do you
somewhere
know?
here, you write down its spirit. In the truck only, you confirm that you found spirit.
You're
There's a
playing
button here.
Phasmophobia, bro.
No, you click on it.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, sorry, you click on it in the journal, and all of you click accept. Oh, is stupid.
Yeah, see? Night vision. I told you. If you
Oh, one of you
Yeah,
get the
bro.
camera stand,
Bro,
no?
the link is there in the group if you want to check it out.
This one. No, never mind. Where's the camera?
Bro, I have a thermometer.
Yeah. Vendrar only.
replaying it, bro.
Okay, come. I think I know how to use the camera now. Come. Also, I have EMF. Does anyone want it?
Yeah.
Believe. I have.
No, fine. Give to me.
But do you have any other useful items?
So I have torch and thermometer.
Okay.
I
All
have
of you niggas,
notebook and torch.
before we leave, check the wiki for how to use your item. Fast.
How do you do that?
No, go to Google and wiki, bro.
And then
Oh my god, I ain't doing all that. You can
Wait
just
a
check.
minute, just dude. It won't be fun if you don't know how to use your items. Also, why is the nigga silent?
Ooh.
Why you guys making out?
Kritik, yeah, where's Kritik, bro? Kritik.
No, I'm there.
Okay.
I'm just figuring out, bro.
Kritik,
What is this thing I
Kritik,
have?
Kritik,
The
can you pick
receiver
that
kind of
item?
thing?
Bro,
Yeah.
Kritik, can you pick this up
Yeah.
over here?
Which one?
Corner. Oh.
I don't see anything. What the hell?
Yeah, keep picking it up.
Bro,
Yeah,
the
that's-
most responsive people who are alone.
Oh my god. Bro. Oh my god. Whoever you are.
Sniff.
Who's a lonely ghost?
Sniff.
I don't know, bro.
You get lost.
you want help?
I'll tell you when I need.
I'm not coming on this side. I'll tell you one game if you want.
Okay, fine. Guys, let's go. Come on. All of you search wiki, you know?
Open up. Open up.
Wiki or no?
Tell them if they don't.
Dude, just search on Google, you dumbass.
Which one do they want?
No,
I
let
don't
him
want
start.
to do all that.
Half of them you can only use once you find the room.
Fine. Bro, show me your item. My brother will tell you what it does.
The book.
The book.
Once you find
Erdal.
and you
Okay, once you find a ghost room,
drop the book, the ghost itself.
the ghost will come. He'll write it. The book will float.
That doesn't always happen.
The book will have some writing on it out of a sudden. That means the ghost did the writing on it, basically.
Okay,
happens
fine.
sometimes
What
because
about?
It only happens with specific ghosts.
Okay, fine.
Bro,
What about this
this
one?
receiver kind of thing?
Which one? That is spirit box.
The one
Okay.
in my hand.
So, dude, once you find a ghost room, turn off the lights, make everyone leave, and then in voice chat itself, ask the ghost questions. Okay, dude, say something real quick.
What is this like?
What? Nigga, I don't want this. You guys can have that. I'm bye.
Okay, fine, I'll take it.
I'm not picking
Why
it.
it's not that
Oh,
scary?
shit, I
bro.
opened up. Oh, yeah,
I'll take it. I'll take it. Give it.
Fine. Dude, so basically, right click, wait, nigga. Right click to turn it on.
Bubs, then give your book.
1 second, wait, nigga.
Yeah.
Okay, when you find the ghost room, you put that down.
One of your incidents.
It's gonna time out, come quick.
Okay, tell me what to do with this.
Sanity going down. That means there's a hunt about to happen in there.
Okay, also, bro, 1 second. Niggas, come back. What? The
What
camera
does
is
spirit
working.
box do?
Do this camera? Oh, we're stupid. Okay. If one of you is in the truck and if someone's sanity goes down all of a sudden, that means a hunt is gonna happen, okay? Also, bro,
Okay.
the sound box, I'll tell you how to use it real quick. Turn it on. Now say something.
How you
Does
turn it
the
on? Okay,
sanity
right,
meter?
right.
Is it on? It'll
Yo,
be-
in number kya?
Yeah, okay. Do you see a
Wait,
red
how
light?
do you know if it's on or on?
Nigga, that sound will happen. That sound
Oh
will
yeah.
happen. Okay. Do you see a red light flash when you're
Lulu,
speaking?
Lulu. Yeah.
Okay. If that red light turns white, that means the ghost is gonna respond. Okay?
Oh, okay, fine.
Come, let's go.
Light flickers during hunts. Hide in wardrobes during hunts to escape.
Hide in wardrobes during hunt to escape.
I can sprint for 5 meters and then I go out of breath.
Boys, do you see my camera? It's working. Say hi.
This is your video cam, no?
Bye.
If you pause, yeah, night
What's
vision,
up, gang?
There'll be some floating orbs, small balls. They only light vision, no? Yeah. This doesn't happen, but if you see that out, evidence.
Okay.
In the ghost
What about the normal camera? Doesn't happen.
Nothing, that's useless. In the ghost
Okay, boys, one of you turn on the EMF all time, one of you turn on temperature all time. Let's go. Who has EMF?
You will, yeah.
Unlock the door, yeah.
I have EMF. Okay. I'll tell you. Open the door. Who's the guy with light? Thank you, Abhinav.
I have.
Okay, the ghost is somewhere here. It moved for a while. Give me light, nigga. Turn on the lights here.
Where the right side?
I don't know. Find it.
I'm trying to find it.
Just use it in your ghost layer. I don't really see how
Oh, the ghost playing music.
Oh, dumbass.
No, that's me. That's me. That's me.
Oh shit! I thought the ghost was playing it. Come, let's find. Oh yeah, thank you. for finding that.
Okay, some ghosts don't talk in the dark, so it might stop the ghost from showing evidence.
Oh.
Who has the ghost meter?
I have the EMF. Yeah. Open the doors. I'll come with you.
I have thermometer, bro.
Why can't I open?
Is it low? Oh, never
No,
mind.
you have to
Fine.
hold it. Okay, EMF is still 0. Come. Open the doors now. I have to enter. And turn on the light, someone, please.
I did.
Okay, nothing here. Get out. Who keeps turning off the lights,
Okay,
da?
still turn it on. No, how's it? Oh my god, I can't see shit.
There's nothing here.
Oh, the light is gone.
Oh, the lights is gone.
Yo,
Oh.
we can't
Oh,
see
that
you.
is
Wait.
gone.
Ghost does.
Where is that? Where is Abhinav? Bro, I can't.
Don't fuse the fuse.
Where are you, da?
I know. Fix the fuse box.
I'm here.
Oh, I have a camera. I can
Come,
see all
come.
of you. Nothing here. Where is the fuse box?
Hey, why can't I run?
Nigga, why are all of you outside?
Your stamina lasts for like 5
Also, I can see. Guide me. I have a camera. I can see without lights.
Oh, breaker box is here, da.
Oh,
Oh,
thank
no,
God. Turn it on.
Darkness, I'm lost.
Turn it on.
No, it's not opening. It's not opening.
Nigga, you have to hold it and move it. Move.
You have to open it and then you can fix it.
Why is it all? Nigga, that's a
Can't open
random
yet.
ass box. That's not the breaker box.
Oh, my bad.
Nigga, move out of the way. Move out of the way. One of you, wait. Oh my God, bro. Let me open the door. Sped ass niggas, bro. Go on, bomb. I'll put in a kundi da. Move. Hey, I'm out of here, da.
Yeah, actually, Bubs, stop, da, Bubs.
That wasn't me.
Where's
One
Kritik?
of
He's
you,
gone.
just okay, only Bubs. Let only Bubs open it.
Okay, fine, move.
Fine.
Nigga.
Where's Kritik? Is he dead?
I don't know where Kritik is.
He must have gone
Where's
roaming.
Kritik actually?
Dude, find it, no? Find the breaker box.
You need to
He'll die if he goes roaming alone, bro. You know the ghost.
I think Kritik might be dead. Oh no,
Yo,
Kritik,
bro.
Kritik's right
This,
here.
check the pantry areas. And that is where the fuse.
Who has the temperature?
I have. Also, boys, come back, boys.
It can't stay open.
Boys.
Bro. Yeah, see, I have to
Boys,
squeeze
take
it.
the EMF. I'll use camera. I'll use only camera. Take my E EMF.
Give the EMF. Where is it, nigga? Why you drop it here?
Hey, I didn't drop it only. Okay, I'm dropping it now. Take it.
It's here. Take
Oh,
it.
it's fine, I'll
Take
pick it up.
Okay, I'm gonna go around search for the power box. Okay, because none of us can see shit.
So they said check the pantry box or the back storage.
Isanya, he's here. Ishan.
Yeah, I'm here. Where are you? Yeah.
This
yeah.
room.
Come. I'm trying to find. See, I can see without lights because I have the camera. Do you see my camera?
Okay, da, I get it, bro.
Not here. It's not here.
This one, there, here, da, here.
Where
no.
is it? Where is it?
Nigga, it's here. See this one.
Oh shit, it is.
This one, you know.
Yeah, click it.
Oh, I turn it on. See.
Where's the switch?
Oh yeah, turn it on.
Yeah, the switch is here.
You can fix it.
Oh, it's on.
It's on. Come on. Finally, bro. Yeah, we turned on, we fixed lights. I
Hold.
fixed it.
Take them. Who will sing?
We got
Oh,
it.
hey,
We got
there's
it.
some red light.
Take what?
This from outside, da.
Nigga, why you keep turning off the lights?
I thought
Dude, moron turn off. Good boy.
Yeah, okay, we fixed the lights. Now EMF. Whoever has EMF, read the rooms. EMF everywhere.
It's zero,
Also, who has
zero,
temperature? Give me
zero,
temperature.
I have temp.
Give it to me. You're using camera.
No,
No, give it to me, dude. I'll give you my
I
video
was in
camera.
camera.
I'll give you my video camera.
I
Take.
don't have anything, nigga. Shut up.
No, take my video
Hello,
camera. I'll give you
your
temperature.
camera.
Sorry, give me your temperature. I'll give video.
Stop
Wait,
turning
see
off the
handprints
lights,
here,
bro,
here.
jackass.
Come here.
Actually.
Yeah, there's a handprint right here.
Yo, it's 2. EMF is 2. Yo,
Even
EMF
if
is
you,
increasing. EMF is
Okay,
increasing
should I
here.
drop the
Drop
thing
the book,
here?
drop the
Should I
book.
drop the
Yeah,
book?
dude.
Yeah.
I dropped
no,
it.
temp is dropping, temp is
Yeah.
dropping. No,
Drop the book.
temp is dropping, your temp is dropping.
Drop the laser projector
Look,
also,
come
the
back.
green
dropping,
thing.
gang.
I can see something breathing.
Yo,
Come back, come
Bombo. Yo, Bombo,
Bro,
are you
temp
here?
Check temperature.
Check
Hello, you
temperature.
here?
Is it dropping? If it goes to
Temperature is
Hello,
not
hello.
0, it's at 10.
Hello.
Temperature is not
We're
0
all,
yet.
we're all breathing.
No,
cold.
no,
You
you
see
in
it?
game.
Oh yeah.
Yo,
Temperature is
is
5,
it
wait.
red?
We're all breathing. Did you see the breath?
It's going down, it's going down.
ask them to check temperature
Bro, come back. I'll drop the
It's
book
going
further
down.
down there.
Drop the book.
in that room. Don't put it.
Drop the
I'm
book in the
dropping-
room.
They didn't drop
Yo,
it.
it's
Temperature-
increasing here. It's increasing here. It's
Drop the
increasing
book
here.
there.
Follow
Drop
me.
the book. Also drop the green thingy. Drop the green light thingy fast.
Okay, where should I drop the book?
Bobs, you have it.
Yeah, wait, let me drop it.
Yeah.
Now, everyone
Bro,
go.
it's a sub-zero.
Remove the flashlight. Turn off the flashlight. Turn
Wait,
it off.
Okay. Turn it off.
What happens now?
Whoops,
The
come back.
ghost is
I
gone.
thought Bobs was the
too
ghost
late.
for a second.
Is this temperature dropping in that room?
It's
Check
sub-zero.
if something is written on
Oh,
the book.
object thrown. An object was thrown.
That is useless. Is it below 0?
Is it below 0?
No. It's slightly above 0. It's not 0 yet. It's not below 0 yet.
If it goes down in that room,
Hey,
it goes minus.
Yo, it's much high for 5 here.
Check for handfuls.
it's 5 now.
Drop the book.
Drop the book.
Drop the book.
You see how
Nigga, whoever took the book, drop it.
Bro, drop it. Who took the book?
keep checking EMF.
One of you have the book, drop it fast.
Yo,
Translucent
I
ghost.
can hear it.
Translucent ghost.
Yo, the light went off. What the hell?
Nigga, which of you niggas took the fucking book, da?
Bro, I don't have the book. Somebody took the book. Press Q fast
No, it's
and
back.
you'll come across a book.
It's down there. The book is there, bro.
None of us have it.
The book is down there only. See. Yeah, see.
Oh, the
Oh,
ghost
yo,
scribbled
that
on it.
nigga.
Did it? I can't see.
What does it say?
The ghost just scribbled on it, that's
Then
all.
it goes right in. If
Okay,
it goes,
wait.
if it
So
goes,
wait, I can.
Poos, where are you?
EMF level 5.
Poos,
Then what else? Yeah.
When you first took the
Yeah.
book, did it have
Yes,
random ass scribbles on it?
Yo, what's good?
No, it did not.
Check.
There was nothing
check
on
the
it.
book,
Bro,
check.
just give me the book.
Yeah, check.
Yo,
That's
how
a
do you use the spirit
very
box?
big-
How do you use the spirit box?
I can't see anything on it.
The scribbles on
Enigma.
it.
Oh,
how do you
these
use the
kind
box?
of. The faint ones, no?
Yeah.
then it goes right in.
Bro, if you come to the yeah, it was there. So
It was there,
nothing
huh?
was there. Wait.
Also, I can't see ghost orbs, so scratch that out in evidence.
Bro, temperature is
Oh,
still
shit.
very less.
EMF if it goes to 5 somewhere.
Freezing temperature.
X means not
So
there.
it's
No,
either
it's not, it's
green,
not.
shade. Okay, the twins.
No, X is there.
Okay, there's 4 of these.
X is there.
Bro, go to evidence and
Let us
mark both these
Go.
EMF
We
level
have
5
freezing
and,
temperature. Oh,
freezing
also EMF
temperature.
5 we have.
You have 5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro,
Also right.
temperature did not freeze. It did not freeze. It did not go below
It
0.
is.
Zero for a
Freezing
second,
temperature
no.
is 0 degree.
No, it was slightly. It never went to 0. It was
Never.
slightly above 0.
Okay, then fine.
Never went to 0.
No, don't put
So
it
should
like
we
that.
like scratch that out?
Is it EMF 5?
EMF went to 5. EMF went to 5.
Is it still 5?
No.
In that room?
No.
Then go smooth.
Also, ghost move. Let's find it.
Bro, temperature is dropping in the other
Oh,
room,
Bro,
bro.
I'm
The
gonna
ghost
look
is
at
here.
our
The ghost is
sanity
here.
and
Was the
come back.
EMF here?
Yeah, the
An
ghost
object
is here.
was
The
thrown.
EMF is increasing again.
Yeah. An object was thrown.
Where?
Yo, I
Follow.
saw something.
Follow where the EMF is being increased.
It's this room.
It's this room?
Yeah. Follow me. Yeah.
This room. Go.
How
Yeah.
you got the sulfur bomb?
No, not this room.
Find the room fast.
Nigga, he ran away.
Bo, this is. If we
my
knew
God.
It's
about
Wait
outside,
outside.
Bro, I'm gonna go look at our EMF. Sorry, this sanity and come back. Okay.
I'll have to come.
If everybody's doing well. Okay, fine, go.
Let's just all go out, bro.
Oh, I'm so tired, boy. I can't even run.
Don't waste your
Bro, I can run for exactly like 10 meters before getting tired.
Oh, look at this, bro. All of us are at 460.
Yo, we all are insane now.
Go for like 0.
Where, where's the...
Basically,
Also, dude, which one
Our
of you dudes
sanity
have
is
the
50.
camera?
like one evidence.
That is the camera. What are you using?
Okay.
Dumbass.
Yeah.
We believe the ghost is
Yeah.
Ishan, just because that freezing content, that ghost
It's
like
just
it
you
happened with
have
that
nothing
thing,
else.
doesn't mean it's not there. It happens later also.
No, Satya, no, I need.
What is the ultraviolet? That's not that amazing.
Stop playing now, bro.
Also, dude, I got it.
0.5, like,
Guys, you have to go alone. One of you go alone. That's the only way the ghost will
Okay,
respond.
then it's a freezing temperature only, no?
It is freezing.
Yeah, so
So 0.5 is not
that
freezing,
narrows
bro.
it
0
down
is
to,
freezing.
Oh.
Sub-0 is freezing, bro.
you
See,
sure?
because we got
What
EMF
good,
level
what
5.
you want?
Also, one of you give me the
I'll
spirit
give.
box. Bubs, give me the spirit box.
I don't have this. Oh, this one. Okay, fine. Like,
Yeah. How
this
do I...
game is actually fun now. I'm not even kidding.
Nigga, next time we'll watch tutorial and do game night. We'll be mad for
You
it.
know we're going. We'll come at night.
So was it at 0.5 or something?
Boys, wish me
Yeah,
luck.
it
I'm
was
going,
0
okay?
point, like,
I'm gonna go
just
talk
about
to the
0.
ghost. Wish me luck.
Oh, whole day you want me to play games only? Yeah.
Fine.
Ghost, are you here?
No more, no more. Yeah, Ajay, no more.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm
Advait,
here.
Advait, Advait. Yeah, take
No,
your
I
EMF,
will.
come with me. We'll find the ghost and I'll talk to it.
Okay, fine.
Also, niggas, we have to be less people. We can't stick together. Come. It's...
Bro,
Wait,
where's
wait.
the thing?
Can one of you give the flash?
Ghost,
One
are
of
you here?
Where Abhinav come here, flash.
Ghost, are you here?
Come here, da. Here, behind
What's
you,
your name,
behind you.
Ghost? Ghost, respond. Ghost,
No,
respond
but
to
the
your
EMF.
pussy. Ghost, where are you, Ghost? It's not answering. Ghost? Hello? Can you hear us? No, so it's not even receiving the question. Now it received. What the hell? You gotta find the ghost room. Come fast. It's over here. You told, no? Let's go to the power breaker room. Come. Here only. Power breaker. Where's the power breaker room? Come.
EMF is like one here, bro.
Fine, where's the power breaker room?
Hey, okay. Now it's flickering like crazy. It's gonna
Yeah, it's
fall
dropping,
now.
it's dropping. Temp is dropping,
Ghost is here. One of
temp
us
is
gonna
dropping.
Yo, I'm dead.
If the lights flicker,
Oh my
Oh
god.
shit.
Oh, shit.
Everything is
go
dead.
run. You can attack you also.
Oh fuck, he can attack us. Let's leave. Nigga, give light.
Where's
give
the
light,
exit?
Let's go. Let's leave. It's gonna kill us.
Yeah, where's the exit though?
There.
If the door's locked, no. Wait, Hansa over, so you can go. When the door is
Okay, so basically, when you hear
Yo,
that sound,
critic guy.
when you hear that heartbeat thingy, the ghost is near.
if the doors are locked,
Wait, EMF 5 and freezing temperature, no?
Let's get it. Yeah, okay. Also,
Yeah.
scratch out spirit box. So EMF 5.
Crash out spirit box.
Yeah, and what's the other one? Freezing. Yeah.
Oh, it's either Jin, Shade, or Oni.
Yeah.
you need to check for handprints.
Yeah, was that handprints?
Then it's ultraviolet.
I think there was, no?
No, I don't think so.
No, because Pools was saying
I
there was
don't know,
handprints.
maybe.
Last game.
Yeah, he found a handprint, no?
Let's go, it's Jin then. It's Jin.
You sure?
No, what about ghost
There's
hiding?
Jin and Oni.
No, see, there's no ghost orb, there's no spirit box, but we got EMF level 5 ultraviolet and freezing. I'm locking in Jin. Come. I do not want to go in
No,
again.
Oh, that's
it wasn't
though.
freezing, bro. It wasn't freezing. I'm telling you, it's like it was like 5-6 degrees. It was above freezing.
It was always
Oh,
above
that's
freezing.
freezing only, yeah.
No, freezing is
No,
below
gang, it has to be
dog.
sub-zero.
Yeah. It's not
Yeah,
It has to
it's
be
not
zero.
below zero.
1, 2, 3.
It was never below zero.
See, I
it
know
was
there's no
never
ghost
below
orbs
zero,
for a
bro.
fact, because I had the camera on the whole time.
Okay, see, it's either Myling, Obake, or Goryeo, whatever that is.
Oh, what about Jin? Why not Jin?
Wait 1 second, because Jin requires freezing temperature. Oh, 1 second.
Okay, I'm putting no writing also, okay?
I don't think so. It would have been.
He didn't do any writing.
Any
I'm gonna put Goryeo.
What about ultraviolet? What about ultraviolet?
Ultraviolet is the fingerprints. Was there fingerprints?
Go to
I don't think so.
Go to journal.
Bro, like, I deadass feel like Kritik said they were fingerprints.
That was last game you told me.
This game did he say?
Wait, I just asked him on Discord.
Like, only that question you asked. No, he's on definite, it's fine, Chuck. Oh, he's...
Hello, Kritik. You unmute, Kritik, unmute.
Ask if
Why you muted? Kritik, you there? Yo, Kritik. Unmute, no? What? Oh, I muted him. Never mind. Oh my god. My bad. Okay, fine. Fingerprints. Yes, fingerprints.
I told you. I got a song I heard him say. Right. Ultraviolet is there, EMF is there. No freezing, no... sorry. Freezing, let's just leave it blank. No good. Scratch out ghostwriting, scratch out spirit box, and scratch out ghost orb.
Yeah.
It's either
Wait,
Jit
so
or
what
Goryo.
is
I think
fingerprints
it's
is ghost
Goryo.
writing?
Did you see the ghost on the laser project?
Oh,
It's
ultraviolet.
translucent ghost.
What is that?
Well, it was a translucent
That's
ghost,
how
by the
it
way.
goes.
My camera told me that.
So what's
Bro,
the
but then it
translucent
wasn't
ghost?
freezing. It wasn't freezing. I'm telling you, it wasn't freezing.
Wait, I'll read Goryo's description. All of you read the ghost descriptions. They'll tell you what type of ghost it was.
Where is the description of ghost?
Oh, never mind. It's not a Goryo. It'll only show itself on camera if there are no people nearby. But I saw it with all of you together.
Yeah. Could be miling also. What is miling?
No, not possible.
Yeah, see, bro, it
Bro,
is miling.
it's
It is
Jin.
miling
Miling,
only.
huh?
Oh, it's
Smiling.
Jin.
Bro, there is no freezing. I'm telling you, there is no freezing, bro.
No,
It's
but the thing
literally
is,
miling.
see,
See, miling is.
But listen. But Miling said it more frequently makes paranormal sounds. I heard no paranormal sounds.
It did. I heard some weird noises.
This is the actual game. It's made from.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, my brother thought the Roblox game was the original.
Oh my
Are you
god, no way.
stupid?
nigga.
What, you were here? Okay, right.
Oh, Isha's brother thought the actual game, the Roblox game was the actual game, bro. Oh my god, nigga. No way.
Okay, fine, dude. It's not a Jin, because the power kept on being turned off. It's not a Miling and it's not a Goryo. I think it's something.
What?
Dude, our sanity was okay. Fine. Our sanity was drained a lot, right?
Printing also reduced.
Oh, sprinting reduces your sanity. I'm stupid.
Okay, fine. Later. Don't talk right now, man.
Fine, check. I think we'll go put something. Come.
We'll play.
Oh,
Bro, it is Obake. It could be Obake.
Obake, yeah? Let me see.
You can hear him. Huh?
Hey, no, never mind, bro. It's not
Hey, why you
Obake.
unmuted, dog? Abhinav.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, all of you, definitely.
Can never share. Try Porter.
Okay, wait.
So I'm telling you, I'm
stupid.
telling you, it's Obake. It's miling. I'm telling you, it's miling.
Dude, I'm so stupid.
Wait, what does ultraviolet do? What is ultraviolet?
Guys, I forgot to give you guys some info.
What?
The ghost threw around like 3 items. It's a poltergeist.
It's a what?
You know when we saw the ghost appear, right?
poltergeist.
You remember when the
Yeah,
ghost
yeah.
appeared, no? That time, it threw around 3 objects. It showed my camera. 3 objects were thrown. I think it's a
No, but it
poltergeist.
says. Oh, okay, fine.
Let's lock in poltergeist. Come on.
Bro, but then when you take out like a spirit box and freezing temperature, the only thing left is like it's not even there on the list,
No,
bro.
because Spirit Box, the
Hey,
ghost
shut
received
out. I
the
need 1
question.
second, wait.
He didn't respond. Also, ghost writing we didn't get, no? Yeah, true.
No, we didn't get
But-
ghost.
Yo. Ishan.
Yeah.
What is ultraviolet?
Ultraviolet is fingerprints.
Okay, did you see ghost
Yeah,
writing?
we got
though?
ultraviolet, no?
Yeah, we got ultraviolet.
Kritik found, no?
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
got ultraviolet, that's
Or-
correct, yeah. But what is ghost
EMF
writing?
5?
Ghost writing is writing on the journal.
IMF.
Is EMS 5?
Oh, the
EMF
thing about
okay.
EMS is, I don't know if it reached 5, but
Fine, give
it's
it to me. Give it to
approximately
me right
like
now.
4.5.
I don't care if I die. Give it to me fast. Take my camera.
But how will you tell us?
Just give it to me, nigga. If I die, that means EMF is 5. Okay, wish me luck. Also, that do right click to use it. Do you get it? Are you using it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, Neil, shut the fuck up. Oh my god, bro.
Do right click one more time to get night vision. Come with me.
Yeah, I
need light.
know. I saw.
Abhinav, you come with me. I need light. If I die, you tell. Abhinav, you're the only one who's
Yeah,
flashlight.
1
Come.
second.
Come. Go,
But
nigga.
I am coming.
Fine. Oh, EMF 3.5. Ghost is here. It's gonna hunt now.
Yeah, light, hunt.
It's hunting.
Walking noises also.
Is the doors locked?
It's hunting.
Is the doors locked?
Yeah.
No, it's not a hunt.
It's hunt.
Yeah, it's hunt.
It's hunt. We're dead.
Go hide in the cupboard. Oh, it's not hunt. It's over.
Hunt over. I think Abhinav's dead.
Yeah, if it kills,
Yo, Abhinav's dead. Yo. Where's Advait? Huh? Dude, Abhinav.
down and outside the room.
No, we
Check the sanity.
Advait.
What are
Abhinav
the
died.
results?
Abhinav died. He
What
got his
the-
ass, nigga.
I know. Abhinav told me what.
Why
What- how-
did he
what
tell
are the
you? Come
EMF?
on, that breaks the immersion tab. Which ass nigga? Why did he
Oh,
tell you?
you could have asked me to check sanity.
Oh wait. What about the EMF? Was it 5?
It went up to almost 4. It never went to 5. I'm
So let's
locking
just
porter guys.
scratch
Bro.
it out then.
I'm locking porter guys.
Yeah, we'll go poltergeist now, whatever that's called.
Well, all you mute
How
niggas.
do you
Stop
lock
talking to
in?
them. They're dead.
I'm not talking to them.
Nigga, I so
I'm talking
badly
to
want to
you.
go back. Okay, fine. You lock poltergeist. I want to see Abhinav's dead body. Okay.
Okay, fine. Wait, come back.
Why?
Come back 1 second. How do you do it?
1 sec.
Do I have to go to the journal? Oh my god, stop looking at his dead body now.
Let's go back.
We're
Here only.
supposed to do it on journal.
Fine. Let's go to evidence.
Wait, so no EMF 5, no dot projector, no ghost orb, no spirit box, ultraviolet.
Where is it, da?
Oi, Enigma. How do you do it exactly?
Somewhere here. You lock it in.
How do you lock it in?
I think you close the door first.
That's what I'm saying. How do you say I'm sorry, don't tap? What do you do?
I-
Nigga! No!
Let's see, bro. No harm.
Welcome back. I've got some jobs ready for you.
What the hell happened?
I don't know.
Nigga, it was phantom, nigga.
We're sped, bro. We're low-key
Oh
sped.
my god.
We'll stop today for this, but next time you guys watch some tutorial and come. It'll be mad fun.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Thank you, bro.
Bro, it's 7:30. I have to go to gym, bro.
Yeah, that's what you go. Next
Same
time.
after workout. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Is
Bye-bye.
Neil actually gonna be able to run it?
Oh my god, bro. You guys.
I don't know.
Okay, run L42.
It's not working. Something up. Not proper.
Yeah, cause it's a tab.